Welcome to today's video on how to maintain your vending machines regularly. A well-maintained vending machine not only ensures the smooth operation, but it can also keep your customers happy. In today's video, I will guide you through the maintenance tasks that will keep your vending machine running at its best. Start by turning off the machine and unplugging it. Remove all the product and shelves from inside the machine. Clean the shelves, compartments, and any accessible part with non-abrasive cleaner and a sanitizing solution. Remember to pay special attention to areas prone to spills or residue buildup, such as the product delivery area and the payment mechanisms. Once you are done, allow everything to dry roughly before restocking. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove dust or debris from the cones and bills slot. Check for any obstructions or jam cones. If needed, lubricate the moving part according to the manufacturer's instructions. Adjust the angle of the slot when you find it's not in the right position. Now, let's move on to product inspection and rotation. It's important to regularly check the expiration dates and the quality of the product in your vending machine. Remove any expired or damaged items and make a note of what needs to be restocked. Properly rotate the product by placing newer items at the back and older ones at the front to ensure freshness. You can get the real temperature and control the temperature of the vending machine remotely on the mobile phone. To test the delivery to see if the motors work properly. To test the lift to see if it works fine.